on MH1459 going to Kuala Lumpur, and we're taking off from Langkawi. Here we go. See the engines. And yet, there we go. I got bumped in seat 4. My original seat was broken. Right. Here we are taking off. Langkawi, Ireland. I might be coming back to Langkawi next year. Well, thank you Malaysia Airlines for letting me have the seat. And lift off. It's Boeing 737. At least we didn't get tail strike. Not like the last flight. Langkawi, right over there, I said.